Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to turn on your 709 M300 dashcam. So as you see, I already have the dashcam on my table, and all I'm gonna do just grab the micro USB cable that is required for charging this. Just plug it into the bottom of the dashcam, as you see right now. And then after like 3 seconds it should automatically turn on. There's the indicator that it's turned on.
Abnormal time detected. Please calibrate the time manually. Please insert SD card.
And as you see, there's all those pop-ups, so it means it's turned on. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.